Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to attach a file in Outlook, whether it's a document, photo, or presentation, this video is your one-stop full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add files to your Outlook emails like a pro without any confusion. So let's jump straight into it. First things first, why attach a file? Attachments make it easy to share important content directly through email. No extra links, no external uploads. Whether you're sending a report to your boss or vacation photos to your friends, Outlook's built-in attachment feature keeps things quick and secure. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Outlook account. Open your browser and head over to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Enter your email and password carefully. Double check that Caps Lock isn't on and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once logged in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. Next, navigate to the Mail section. You'll find the Mail icon, usually on the left-hand panel. Click it and it'll take you straight to your inbox. This is the central hub where all your sending and receiving magic happens. Now, let's create a new email. Click the New Message button and a fresh window will pop up for you to compose your email. You can add the recipient's address, subject line, and your message right here. Once your email is ready, it's time for the main part, attaching your file. On the toolbar, click on the Insert tab, then choose Attach File. You'll see a few options, but for most people, you'll want to select Browse this computer. Find the file you want to attach. It could be a Word doc, a PDF, or even an image. Select it and hit Open. Outlook will automatically upload your file and you'll see it appear below your subject line, ready to send. And that's it. You've successfully attached a file in Outlook. Just review your email, click send, and you're good to go. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment if there's another Outlook feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.